to lock down their businesses because of the following 4 main reasons. Actually, they have a lot of reasons, about 10, but I've summarized all the 10 into 4. One, the issue of ethics system. They are saying this should be stopped at the point of entry, that is at borderlines. And
the President has accepted to expand or to increase on the number of the delegation which is going to meet the President. We appeal to the traders to stay calm. Let us avoid any violent acts or practices until an official communication is released by the Secretariat of Kacita or other associations. Thank you.